Today is Saturday. Every Saturday, Miss Brenda goes fruit shopping. Fruits are good for you. They give us vitamins and make us stronger. Do you love fruits? Of course you do. Come along. Let's go fruit shopping with Miss Brenda. Miss Brenda has a fruit storage. The fruit storage is where fruits are stored in the house. We have 5 purple boxes to store each fruit. Apple. There are 2 apples left. We need 3 apples to fill the purple space. Pineapple. There are 3 pineapples left. We need 2 pineapples to fill the purple space. Banana. There are 3 bananas left. We need 2 bananas to fill the purple space. Watermelon. There are 5 watermelons. The purple spaces are filled up. Mango. There are 2 mangoes. We need 3 mangoes to fill the purple space. To know the fruits we need to get the mom's fruit list. Three apples, 2 pineapples, 2 bananas, 3 mangoes. Welcome to the fruit market. Today is a busy day in the market. We have loads of fruits in the market. The fruit stand is over there. It has lots of fruits we need. Let's go get some. We need to buy 3 apples. Three apples are in the basket. We need to buy 2 pineapples. Two pineapples in the basket. We need to buy 2 bananas. Two bananas in the basket. We need to buy 3 mangoes. 3 mangoes in the basket. We have a basket full of fruits. Let's go store the fruits in the fruit storage.